Hello folks, so today we stopped at La Perrada del Gordo in Port St. Lucie, which is a Colombian restaurant, a fast food restaurant serving burgers, chili, hot dogs and the likes. Guys, I promise you, we tried their famous Gordo burger, which is so huge. This is one of the best-selling burgers that they have, and guys, once you start with that, that's usually where you're gonna stop because the burger is so large. I love the fact that they have about 3 or 4 different types of sauce that they add to the burger. The burger meat is huge. They give you fried potatoes, like a little bit of fries on it, and they also add stuff like chicken and other condiments. The burger keeps piling higher and higher. Joshua was overwhelmed. I was wonderfully surprised, and I promise you, you have to try it. Tell them Yardie TV send you. Go